Hi there, my name is Serhiy Shchelkov, and today I'll tell you about all the types of placements that we have in Epom Ad Server. There are quite a lot of things that Epom does well, and one of them is getting acquainted with a lot of various media formats. To prove that, I will show you everything that we can work with. The first one is, I'm going to go top to bottom on this window over here, so the first one will be a regular site placement. It looks like this. This is used to create regular banner placements with a certain size, either catered to IAB specifications or, of course, being able to create your own custom size of the placement. This would generate you 3 different invocation code types. We've got a universal JavaScript, which is by far the most commonly used one, a direct URL, and an option to call Epom through an API. Then we have the non-standard placement. This is mostly used for various rich media units. As you can see, it doesn't have any fixed size because it is reliant on the banner itself to define the size and behavior of that unit. It is also available in universal JavaScript, direct URL, and API types. Next, we've got an application placement. This allows you to create an ad for an app, and we support both iOS and Android, and banner type could be banner ad, interstitial, native ad, or rewarded video. This placement is available either through a JavaScript synchronous tag or through an API, which is by far the most commonly used one in this case. Next, we've got a video placement. Video is defined by the size of the player, or of course it could be a custom size, and you get a VAS 2.0, 3.0, and 4.0 tags available for you. Please note that the VAS 4.2 is also in development as of now and will be added to the platform shortly. There's also an option to use a VMAP tag, which is viable if you want to create playlists of ads available. Of course, there are some additional configurations for VAS 3.0, for VMAP, and what we call waterfall in Epom. And the final step I wanted to show you was to talk about the click-through placement. This is not very commonly used, but it still has some use cases for it. What it does is this click-through placement allows you to only generate a pausback, which could be a impression or a click URL, so you can work with pixels and the URLs as well. This is viable in those cases where the publisher does not want to insert an ad tag on their site and only asks you to provide them a tracker and the creatives separately. Using this click-through placement, you're able to do just that, give the publisher what they need, a creative, and also supply them with an impression pixel or a URL and with a click-through pixel or a URL. That way, Epom can track everything that's happening on the publisher side. Thank you, and please make sure to subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.